In early childhood, I started working with preschool kids at a karate school. I did an amazing, mind-blowing seminar that totally opened up my heart called the Landmark Forum in 2001. If you never heard of it, look up Landmark Worldwide. They don't even advertise. It'll be the most amazing 3 days you'll spend in your life. And it was my experience of it. I dropped out of college for the first of 3 times or whatever. I went to my karate teacher because I was a pro wrestler at the time, and I wanted to go wrestle in Japan. And in Japan, when you don't look like them, they try to beat the crap out of you even more to send you home to see if you'll come back. So I had to learn real martial arts. I started when I was 12 in Taekwondo, which is a lot of big, wonderful, fancy spin kicks that don't work in a real life situation, but it looks real beautiful in a tournament. And boards of wood fear me. Okay, some of you got that, that's fine. Okay. So I went to go work with my sensei, and I learned more about him. He was an elementary school teacher, and she was a preschool teacher. They both left the school system about 1.5 years before to open up their own karate school, right as the virus of political correctness started creeping in. What do I mean by that? Some of you went, yeah, some of you are like, oh, like that. Meaning, he told me the day he quit is when his principal called him into the office. He said, we are having complaints from parents. One parent said that you told them that their child should go to bed earlier and they were upset. We had another parent that you said that they probably didn't feed their child breakfast, which they probably didn't feed their child breakfast. But, so he was doing all these things, saying things to parents, where the parents would be like, okay, thank you, professional educator, that I send my kids to you. I'm going to do what you say. Who remembers, who's been teaching long enough to remember back when parents would actually be respectful of what you thought because you're in the industry? Right. How's that going now? Oh, no. But how many have parents that absolutely it's their first kid, but they think they know what's best for their child just because their brain says words to them? So